So about the Asogli festival, some of us we've not witnessed it before. So we are praying. We are students of Old Technical University, so we are praying and we want to witness an eventful festival. We want to experience the culture, the tradition of the people, the way they live their life, their history. Yes, all those things. So we are looking forward to see an eventful festival. So we are urging our parents to organize his people, his kinsmen, all those people, because this time we are staying and we are witnessing the festival, and we are praying that it should be a lasting experience for us, because we are also event students. So we are looking forward to one day be part of their planning committee as well.
Okay, so apart from that, what are you expecting from them?
So my expectation right now is that roads infrastructure in whole, for instance, they are not encouraging. So if they can do something to expand them, I believe it will help. Huh. And the water facilities in who we know it's a bit challenge though, but I believe they can speed up and do something about it. When the waters are flowing through the taps, it's very, very, very unbearable when you look at it. And if you look at the health crisis right now, typhoid is becoming one of the common health crises in who, because of water crisis and the condition of the water. So we pray that with the Asogli festival, all these initiatives should be implemented. And if the government can subsidize the water rate and all those things, I believe who will do very well.
Okay, okay. I hope the festival ministers, MPs will be coming. What are you expecting from them too?
So the ministers, I would say they are the stakeholders. They are the ones in government. So when they hear our grievances, I believe they should take it into consideration and work according to it. They shouldn't just come and listen to our grievances and be like give us empty promises and they'll go and sleep over it. So we expect that when they take our grievances, we should see action or something really happening out of it or coming out of it.